To the channel Smart Kiddos. Today we're going to continue coding in Scratch It. Now, if you're interested in coding, then please also check out the previous coding playlist, which is Python for Kids and Beginners. Very, very simple. Now let us start with coding in Scratch It. So here I'm in Google and I'm going to click on Scratch It. And I'm going to click on the first link right here. Now here's the Scratch It's main screen and my username. Now if you haven't seen that video, please check it out later. Let's create a project in Scratch It. To do that, click on Create. After the project loaded, you'll get this screen. You can name the project whatever you like. I'll name it Sprites. So what are sprites? Sprites are really important in Scratch It. They're not just images on the screen, but they can do interactive tasks. Teach you to upload, edit, and even select another sprite. But first, let's rename this cat. I'm going to call it Scratch Cat. Now I'm going to select the sprite. I'm going to hover over the cat and click on the magnifying glass. Whoa! So many sprites! Some even have animation. There's animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. I'm gonna choose the crab. But where's the animation? Well, we have to do the code for the animation. So for now, I'm gonna stick with cab A. And I'm gonna rename this to red crab. To edit, click on the specific sprite you want to edit. Then you can click on costumes and start editing. You can erase his hand, maybe change the color, or even drawing a new shape. You can also use the paintbrush to draw anything you would like. You can also use the outline to change the thickness. Also, you can delete stuff by clicking on backspace. I'm gonna delete the sprite. Now remember to always save your project by either clicking on Save Now or going to File and clicking on Save Now. Also, you can click on Uploads by hovering over the cat and clicking on Upload Sprite. Then you can select an image from Downloads. Now, I have uploaded the sprite, but it's too big. To do that, you're going to go to Size and change it to 60 or whatever number you would want. There you go. Now, finally, I'm going to do some code. I'm going to delete Scratch Cat and drag this to the middle. Now, I want this dog to say, Hello World. So I'm going to go to Events and click on when this sprite is clicked and drag it to the workspace. Then I'm going to go to Looks and drag Say Hello. And I'm going to type Hi World. Then I'm going to click on the green flag and click on the puppy. And there you go. Voila! Now, if you want to view your project anytime, you can click on your username and click on My Stuff. Then you can click on any project and then click on See Project Page. There, you can even change the title. You can even tell the instructions, notes and credits, and even publish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell.